Welcome to living in the heart of Centennial Hills. If you've been dreaming of a low-maintenance lifestyle in a gated community with a pool, with easy access to shopping, dining, and the freeways, then this might be the home for you. 6868 Sky Point, unit number 2035, places you in one of Northwest Las Vegas's most rapidly growing and sought-after communities. Known for its scenic mountain views, beautiful parks, and suburban charm, Centennial Hills offers the perfect balance of peaceful living. This beautifully maintained upstairs unit offers 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and an open concept layout designed for modern living. The kitchen features granite countertops, a breakfast bar, and plenty of cabinet space, all designed with everyday convenience in mind. And check out this laundry room that has extra space for a small office, extra storage closet, and shelving above the laundry. Located just 30 minutes to Harry Reid International Airport, 27 minutes to Creech Air Force Base, 25 minutes to Nellis Air Force Base, and just 9 minutes to Floyd Lamb Park, where outdoor lovers will appreciate miles of hiking and biking trails. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or just plain downsizing, this condo delivers comfort, value, and convenience. I'm Mary Kay Beckman. Contact me for more information. In the meantime, live life, enjoy life.